Hello, so today we're going to be talking about volume of a triangular pyramid, and the formula is volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times height. We can also change that formula into volume equals area of the base times height divided by 3. In connection to capital B, that means the area of this triangle right here. And if we remember from before, in order to get area of a triangle, you got to multiply the base and height of the triangle and divide it by 2. Once we get that, we have to multiply that answer with the height of the pyramid, which is 17, and divide all of that expression by 3, which is this number right here. So the base and height of the triangle base is 12 times 10 divided by 2 times 17. So 12 times 10 gives me 120. I divide that by 2, and that gives me 60. And we multiply that 60 times 17. And all of that will be divided by 3. So let me bring this up again over here. Now 60 times 17 divided by 3 will give me my volume. And I see here that the 60 and the 3 can be divided before I multiply anything. So 60 divided by 3 I know is 20. So when I multiply 20 times 17, I am going to get 340. So my answer here is the volume of the pyramid is 340 cubic centimeters.